come watch Chris and I play a little game of catch. And considering I just threw an MSI 3080, this could get expensive. Chris is going to very gracefully unbox his GPU, and then I've got a little surprise for him. Looks like we didn't break anything, yet. Chris really thought I was about to throw this massive Fantex case at him. I thought about it, but as you can see, this thing is huge. Next up in our game of catch is the Gigabyte Aorus Elite Z690 motherboard, which is very fitting because the build we're doing today is called the Elite. Alright, to be honest, Chris and I were showing off a little bit here. We'll get this Intel i7-12700K unboxed and installed, and then we'll move right on to the RAM. I think we can all agree there's nothing better than a freshly installed CPU. I'm honestly surprised we haven't broken anything yet. Nice catch, Chris. Now let's go ahead and install this RAM. For this build, we're installing 32 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance Pro RGB RAM. I think I need to work on my jump shot a little more, but luckily Chris has great hands. For storage, we're going with a 1TB Western Digital NVMe SSD. Chris is going to tighten this SSD down and then install the motherboard into the case. I wasn't lying when I said this thing was massive. Chris is going to make sure that this motherboard